Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 10th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the US dollar CAD continued to push down pretty hard. I mean, I still think it kind of looks like an ABC correction, but this actually may end up being a failed ABC because unfortunately, like I spoke about last week in one of my live streams on YouTube, unfortunately, the wave ABC could have already ended up here and we could already be back into a downtrend, possibly already in the wave three, especially looking at the US dollar index. But I do hope that it goes up and makes a wave C because that would give us a much clearer entry to go short. But it's starting to look more and more like that may not be the case because if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, normally when price closes above or below the 78% Fibonacci retracement of any given impulsive move, normally it will go down and take out the 100%. So to me, it still looks like an ABC correction, no doubt about it. But the fact that it retraced so much makes me think that even if it does bounce, it's probably actually just going to keep going down and take out this low. Now, on the other hand, if it does go up, if it does start really breaking structure, then it still could be an ABC and it still could go up for either. At that point, I think it would be a 1, 2, 3 of C, like I showed on the daily. But if it does go up and if it does give you a nice break of structure, you could definitely turn back into a buyer. But like I was just explaining, it really does not have to do that. And the fact that it closed below the 78% makes me think that it likely will not do that. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.